Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. We are on day 5 of my 25 days of Christmas gift ideas for him. I really hope that you all have enjoyed these products and brands that I've been showing to you all and highlighting because they have made a huge impact on my life, and I was hoping that it'll do the same for you. But if this is your first time on my channel, happy holidays. Make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and hitting that bell because we still have 20 amazing days, 20 amazing products and brands just for you all to figure out what to put under his tree. Up until now, I have been showing you mainly fashion stuff, mainly clothes and things like that, which obviously that's my highlight. That's what I love the most. But I wanted to change it up and show you guys some new tech that I decided to get that made a huge difference in my social media world that I think that would be great for the guys in your life. So today's product that I am talking about is something that I've recently gotten, and it has helped me so much in my content creation, especially with all of my editing, and that is the KYY portable monitor 15.6-inch screen. This thing is awesome, guys. When I tell you that it makes my life a lot easier being able to use 2 screens at once when I'm editing my videos or when I'm sitting here wanting to watch TV while doing other things on my monitor and don't want to do a split screen, this is what I needed. But the crazy part about it is this is on Amazon for $99.99 with a $25 coupon. Coming with this, you also get 2 adapters, one for iPhone, one for Android, a HDMI cord, and a smart magnetic case that also doubles as a stand. That means that you are able to connect this with literally any screen that you want and it will mirror it. And that just means that you can also connect your phone directly to it and use that as a screen while you're still using your phone. Not to mention, if you have gamers in your life, this connects to PS5, Xbox, PCs, everything as a monitor. This is the world's perfect portable monitor. If you know you're traveling a lot, this is what you need. You don't need to have it connected to anything for a power source but the device itself. That is wild to me. I've been able to take this with me everywhere I go just to connect it to my phone so that I can edit my videos and things like that from this monitor myself. It comes with 2 USB-C ports and HDMI port, making it literally almost compatible with every device. And with those adapters, you have no problem with connecting anything to it. Power, you don't even have to worry about it. As long as you have it connected to a device, it will always power on. And you can make sure, just in case, that it's always charged by connecting it to a power source, and from then on it will always stay on and always be charging. It's 0.3 inches thin, and you have the ability to use it either horizontally or vertically depending on what you're doing. So if you have a streamer in your life, they could actually use this for their comments. We've seen a lot of streamers do that, and no one has the hundreds, even thousands of dollars for those comment screens that they're using. This is an amazing alternative for those streamers. Not to mention, this is a perfect on-the-go portable monitor. That means that you're able to use this anywhere you want. Guys, that means we can start gaming in the cars while we're passengers. We can start using this for anything while we're gone, in the office, everywhere. This for me was a game changer. You are able to move anything to this screen that you want from another screen. Which means if you're needing a zoom, you can have your zoom on this screen, but be using the monitor that's your camera. Guys, this is offering diversity in action, and that is sometimes what we all need. This monitor will do everything that we need, and the crazy thing about it is that it's the simplest thing. All it is a duplication monitor. But for the price and what you can do with it, this may be what's perfect. So if you have a gamer, a creator, a business person, of any kind in your world, this is a monitor that they will be looking for. The stand itself is able to hold it up in 2 different ways, and it comes with all the accessories needed for you to hit the ground running. One thing I do love, it's good technology. I love the new tech, and it seems like this has become the Christmas gift of the season. We're starting to see other brands created. It's all over TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere, because everyone wants a monitor that you can plug and play, that you can mirror your phone, that you can extend your laptop and your computer, and this does it all. And not all of them allow portrait mode, which allows for you to go vertically. This does everything that everyone would need in the simplest of forms, and with all of its plugins, you are literally so adaptable to whatever situation that you're in. For me, the biggest thing is being able to multitask on here, but I know we have a lot of gamers out there who would love to play their PS5 while they're places other than home, or for those who are Xbox users, I'm not, but for those who are, they can too. This is the gift that keeps on giving. Did I mention that this is same-day shipping on Amazon? That means for all of you all looking for that last-minute gift as the time goes on, this will be the perfect gift for him. I want to know how you all felt about this one, because from the moment I saw it, I had to have it. I'm pretty sure the minute I saw it on Amazon, saw the discount, saw the shipping, I immediately purchased it, and it has been attached to my phone, my PS5, and my computer monitor multiple times, each time helping me do something different. But I'll say my editing has changed since I've been able to double screen this and get all of my material on 2 different screens at one time. I'll be dropping the link to this below for you all who will be looking for it. Like I said, there are so many different brands who are doing this, but the KYY portable monitor really was the one to scream out at me. And let me say, I have not been upset with this purchase at all. So I want to know what you all thought about this monitor. Is this something that you all feel will be used a lot in your house, on the road, while you're traveling, at the airport? I mean, I can't even fathom places that you can't use it because it's literally portable, thin, and easily usable. But I want to know what you all think. So make sure you guys are commenting below and giving me your thoughts on this monitor. Alright guys, but that's all I have for you today. We still have 20 days left, 20 more products, and I'm so excited to show them all to you. Every day I look forward to this time with you all. So, as always guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.